Hi guys, the video is about this pump action torch, but I'll just mention I've just done another video. When I did the previous video on this one, the teardown video, I mentioned that it was covered with that stuff that goes sticky over the years, and it was really unpleasant to get hold of. So I've just done a video where I cleaned the sticky stuff off it. I also cleaned it off that one as well. And well, I'll put a link to the video in the video description anyway. But previously I've done that using white spirit and nail polish remover and that sort of stuff. And today I did that and it was still a bit mucky. And I used decorators, builders, what do they call it? Sugar soap, which is what you use for cleaning off paintwork before you repaint. And that did the job. So video description, there'll be a link to that video. Sugar soap. It got rid of the sticky for me. Anyway, what's this video about? Did a teardown video on this. We had a look inside, put it all back together, everything worked. And then the next time I came to use it, the on-off switch was broken. The little thin plastic bit on the on-off switch. So either I broke it as I put it back in again, or just the fact that we've started using it and it's given up. So we will take this one apart to see if we can replace the switch. I'm pretty confident, not 100% confident, but pretty confident that one of the ones in here will do the job. And it'll also be a chance to test my new Antex 25 watt soldering iron, because my 18 watt that I've been using for the last 5 years or so died recently. I have repaired it, put a new heater element in it, but at the same time I also ordered a second one, this one being 25 watts. So this will be the first opportunity to try it out. So I'll get my screwdriver, take that one apart, and we'll see if we can fix the switch. Okay, so that's my new soldering iron working. Now I'll try and get it back together without breaking these thin wires here. Well, it looks like I'm lucky. It looks like that is just the right length to go in there. No, it isn't. It's about a millimetre too long. Gonna have to shorten it just a touch. Just nipped the end off it with the cutters. And that looks like that's the right size now. All I've got to do is get it all back together, which will be fun, but I've done it before. Just hold it in position there so you can see. So spring goes up there. That's the pivot. That's the ratchet. And that's the gear that's run off the teeth on the back of this thing here. And then that little bit goes in there and hooks onto the back of that to stop it, hold it in place when it's not in use. Switched on, off, on, off, on. So my new switch is working. So you can charge it when it's switched off. You can put that latch on to hold that in place, and you can switch it on. Right, success. I'll put screws back in. So complete success. I now have a non-sticky pump action or squeeze action torch with the on-off switch working. And I've tested my new soldering iron. I know it was only 2 little solder blobs, but it worked. So I am very happy. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.